Hello everyone. We are back here again for the 4th Art Saturday video hop, and this month's theme is architecture. Now if you're not familiar with the 4th Art Saturday video hop, it is hosted by the Meri Atelier, that's Mary Dale, and she puts this hop on every month. It's a lot of work, so I hope you will make sure to visit all the hoppers and to make sure to tell Mary thank you. When you do visit those hoppers, I hope you will give them kind comments and make sure to do that little thumbs up thing. This month's theme being architecture, I've been thinking about it for a while and what I wanted to do. And I had done this jelly print. I used a piece of it right after I did it for an iCAD when we were doing our iCADs every day. And realized that it would be perfect for my architecture project. It to me looks like a very old wall with lots of lovely colors of paint on it. So even though it's missing a piece, I am going to use it this morning as my background. And then I have 3 little books. And this is a Carpenter's and Builder's Guide. I've kind of been gathering things ever since I decided I would use this piece of paper. And this little book has a image in it that I want to use. I think I'm going to use anyways. This little book, this is a lumber, how shall I say it? It's a calculation for lumber. It's saw logs reduced to inch board measures. Now this book happens to be old enough that I can copy it. It is out of production date, so I did make a copy to use. I have not been actually tearing this one up. So I have those 2 things, and I have this Simon & Schuster's Pocket Guide to Architecture, and I actually have picked out a couple of little buildings here that I may be going to use on my page. I honestly don't know exactly what I'm going to do just yet. That's always the way it works. I also have some letter stencils out because when I did my iCAD, that was one of the things I did to this wall, and I really liked how that looked, so I am going to do that again. I'm probably going to just get busy here and sort of work quietly, and I'll be back at the end to talk to you about the piece and how it came out. Oh, my base is going to be an envelope that I can then later turn into a little journal. So Okay, guys, I am just in love with this piece. I really am. First off, I loved the jelly print to start with. I really, really like how it turned out like an old wall. Now, I know that the theme was architecture, so I did use architecture elements in my project, but walls are part of architecture. So I hope that this fulfills the criteria for the project. But one way or another, I really, really like this project. Now, it is my intention to take this and turn it into a, oops, let's back you up a little bit. Turn it into a little journal eventually. I don't know if I'm going to or not because I really like it the way it is. If I do that, I will need to, I better get it open right now. Oh no. That got wet. Okay. I'll have to put something there, and now I'm going to have to line the inside of the journal too. Oh well. The project, however, I'm really pleased with. So, if you're not familiar with the 4th Art Saturday video hop, make sure you check out the links below. Follow the top link in each person's video, and you will come right back here to my video. And when you do, you'll have seen all of the videos. So make sure to check the description box below for the links. Make sure to comment and like everyone's videos. And if you're not subscribed to the other members of the hop, please think about subscribing, because this is an ongoing hop that happens every month, and it is a lot of fun, and I really enjoy the whole process of it. So go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.